Hello everyone. I wanted to give an overview of this interior design app. You can design your interior using AI. The app name, you can find it on the iOS store, but if you visit figoodle.com, Figoodle.com, then you should be able to download the app. This is the app, but I already have it downloaded, so if I can open it somehow. Let's see. Yeah. How it works basically. You upload an image, choose your style, and let AI redesign your room based on the style or prompt that you have given. It also has many more features. For example, if you want to specifically use it to paint a wall, swap flooring, declutter the room, mostly for Airbnbs. Also custom flooring. If you give it an image, change curtains, change lighting, floor plan to 3D, add custom furniture, virtual staging for furnishing empty rooms and seeing their potential, cabinet resurfacer, sketch to life. If you have some kind of sketch, it will try to create a photorealistic render. The edit screen is also one of the more advanced options, I would say. But first, let's go to the create screen. You could either take an image or upload one, but in this case, I will upload one. Let me see what I have here. Okay, I have this bedroom, and I want to give it a style. You could choose from a bunch of styles: traditional, Mediterranean, French, country, Airbnb, eco-friendly. Let's go with maybe Airbnb, or make it something that pops out and is really visible what we have done. So you can see we have a bunch of options. Let's go with French country. Then you can also choose colors from the 36 colors. I'll choose this color, white of course, and these two. You can keep it dramatic, cool, warm, whatever you prefer. Then you could add your custom prompt however you want, but you could also let AI do the work. Custom prompting is if you want to make one specific change, but in this case, we let it do its thing. It will take some time because it's analyzing the room, the contents, and how it could best redesign it. So you can see we have got the output. Now, if you don't want a particular thing here, or you want to change the curtains, you could go to edit and give it a prompt here. You could also add a reference image. For example, if you already have a bed, you could upload that, and it should replace it. If you want to add some plants or change the lighting, all of that can be done based on your prompt in the edit screen. If we go to the renders again, you could remix the style, and it lets you choose another style for the same image. Simply click on Transform Now, and it will transform again. There are also designs that you can get inspiration from. You can see before and after images and the prompt that was written. You can copy this prompt and paste it. This is for exterior design, and this is another example of before and after, along with the prompt. You can see many more examples here. This style is luxury, and this one was auto-generated. I think it had some problems analyzing it, but it still did a pretty good job based on the style. Feel free to try different options, and let me know what you think. Thank you very much.